DJM TV.
E be like say Nigeria go soon enter second lockdown on top of the coronavirus pandemic. My people, una welcome to DJM TV daily news update. E be like say Nigeria go soon enter second phase of lockdown on top of the COVID-19 pandemic wey dey happen. The latest news wey the Nigeria Center for Disease Control (NCDC) give be say the total number of COVID-19 cases for Nigeria don reach 73,175 and dem don discharge 66,090 persons, but e say 1,197 people don officially die from the virus wahala. The NCDC tok say dem don record 1,145 new cases in just a day. They say dis na the highest number of cases wey dem don ever record in a day, and they say dem don record 2,000 cases in 1 week, which is the highest so far. And they say because of this one, a second lockdown e dey inevitable. And the National Economic Council e don come outside come give condition for which Nigeria go fit go back to lockdown again for this one wey be say the second wave of the COVID-19 pandemic don start. Next, say Nigeria go get to resort to the last aspect of going back to lockdown again if Nigerians dem no take care, dem no take proper measures, and dem no observe the protocols of this COVID-19 wahala. The council express worries and they advise say make the sanitation restriction on the number of people for each gathering, among other protocols, make dem adhere to am. That mean say make Nigerians no forget to wash their hands regularly, make dem no forget to observe social distances when they gather more than 5 people, and make dem no forget to wear face mask. Governor Simeon Lalong, wey be governor of Plateau State, im brief the news people after the meeting wey dey hold, and this meeting na Vice President Yemi Osinbajo na im preside over the meeting for the presidential villa for Abuja. He say dem don resolve say proper measure must be followed, against which strict observation of the protocols and observation of some of the conditions that were laid. Otherwise, we are going to move into a situation where it will be very uncontrollable. And for that, states were advised to go back and emphasize the implementation or enforcement of some of the protocols that we have earlier stated in the first phase. Meanwhile, the Lagos State Governor, Babajide Sanwo-Olu, don direct say make all public and private schools for the state make dem close, and make all public servants from grade level 14, except those wey be emergency workers and first responders, make dem work from home beginning from Monday for the next 14 days. Im don also tok say concerts, carnival and street party dem don ban am for Lagos until further notice. Im tok say nightclub no go open yet, and as such all nightclub for the state must close indefinitely with immediate effect. E also tok say the curfew wey be from 12 a.m. to 4 a.m. wey dey imposed by the federal government, e still remain in place o, and say the talk of say no face mask, no entry must be enforced by all the public places such as offices, business places, market, shops and others. Sanwo-Olu tok say all dis na part of public health directive, and as the state dey prepare for second wave of the coronavirus pandemic, dem no want say make the thing make e pass be careful. Lagosians wey don already get plans on how dem take celebrate the Christmas, dey talk say this one no go happen o, because dem no know how dem wan take celebrate Christmas only inside their house. What about the concert, the street party dem nko? Dem even talk say religious gathering wey dem suppose to hold on top celebration, e go still stop. Dem say this one e no go just work for dem at all at all. Dem say Sanwo-Olu don pour sansan inside their garri as im don spoil their dirty December plans. Make we no forget say Babajide Sanwo-Olu im still dey under isolation because say im don catch the coronavirus.
The indication is that we have entered a second wave of infections, and we stand the risk of not just losing the gains from the hard work of the last 9 months, but also not losing the precious lives of our dear citizens. Current realities, however, point to the fact that the course of further opening up of the economy may have to be reviewed. We took a decision to waive certain fees being charged by
DJM TV.
Fund for the period of 6 months from April to September 2020 on the following revenue lines: ground rent, rent, service recovery charge, and concession fee for concessionaires who pay yearly fixed rate in advance. And of course, these are only for fan-controlled airports.
Let the leaders of restaurants, the owners, the directors in offices and ministries enforce that if people are not wearing masks, they should not enter that premises.
We will communicate the measures that will be required over the coming days once we've had additional discussions with the state governors as well as with our principal.
Nigerians don't react to this second lockdown news.
Circumstances that as a nation we have subject ourselves into. Just because something happened in America or other places really doesn't mean that same thing is applicable in Nigeria. First wave, they only told us that the people that died of COVID-19 related cases. They were never proven that they died of COVID-19. They said they died of COVID-19 related complications. Then they said COVID-19 had the same symptoms with malaria and typhoid, which ordinarily means the so-called COVID-19 to me is upgraded or the hybrid of malaria and typhoid.
As most of them thought say, they not believe say the virus in dey real. They thought say even if the virus dey real safe, they not believe say the way government dey project am, say na so it be. Say because they believe say what the government they do, now for their own gain and for their own pocket.
Corona is real, 100% real. You know, something that I've taken the whole world to a standstill from the month of March for like 3-4 months. So it's real. But in Nigeria it's real, but just like, you know, the way we take it, we take as if the first time when it came, we believed that it was real. But as time goes on, you know, we now feel like maybe they're using it as a kind of politicizing something. But it's real.
I've been keeping social distancing from everywhere I go. And really, I believe that there's COVID-19 because everybody says there's COVID-19.
If it's truly there is COVID-19, people should live their life. Because this government is a force. And so, you don't even have a system to take care of your people.
The government of Nigeria don say the COVID-19 vaccine it go dey available as from January 2021. Until then, make not forget to dey wash our hands, stay safe, keep your social distancing, and wear your face mask. Until then, I still remain on our sister Laworo Favor reporting for DJM TV News.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
People like people don't say no, they don't like it.
Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
And some of the delegates and ask their questions.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.